If I have to say one thing about this haul, the color palette of all the 7 t-shirts which you are gonna see in this video, it's really crazy because these are the summer appropriate colors. The particular palette you should own in case if you're already covered with your bases, I mean neutral colors when it comes to t-shirts. What's up my stylish people, this is Shank, welcome back to the channel. You guys these days were asking me to do a video on t-shirts a lot. I already released a video on the Levi's t-shirts you can buy under 799 rupees or maybe 699 rupees. In this video, you guys are going to see 7 best t-shirts from H&M starting from 399 rupees till 1299. All of these t-shirts are the new arrivals, so most probably you're not gonna find any discounts on these items, but these are the best t-shirts as of now according to my opinion. And a quick point to note, H&M do have other great options as well when it comes to the t-shirts, and in specific to the printed t-shirts. I don't like printed t-shirts much to start with, and on top of that H&M do have many collabs when it comes to this particular season, and I didn't like them much. Whatever I liked, I shopped. A few of the pieces I shopped from the online stores and few of the pieces I shopped from the offline as well. For offline pieces, I couldn't find few of them to share the online link, but nevertheless I will try to find. In case if I can't, my sincere apologies guys. Having said that, let us start with the t-shirt number 1. It is a multicolored t-shirt from H&M which is priced at 799 rupees. I got this in a size of medium. When it comes to this t-shirt, what exactly I liked? Number 1, the color combination of it. The color combination, you have the mixture of the pastel colors like a tie-dye or an abstract kind of a print. They have this vibe going on with the light pastel pink, light pastel blue as well as the pastel green. As all these colors are appropriate for the summers. On top of that, here the base is a white color one. That gives that extra pop for this t-shirt. And number 2, the fit. The fit is super appropriate for the summers. It is not too slim, not too much relaxed, oversized kind of a fit. It is somewhere in between. So that's what exactly I liked. And for a price point of 799 rupees, I think for summers it is a must-have because like you're on trend as well as with the comfort you are covered because it's a 100% cotton t-shirt. Moving on to the t-shirt number 2. It is a white and green half sleeve t-shirt from H&M which I got it in a size of medium. It is also priced at 799 rupees. Both of this t-shirt I got in the offline store, H&M store in Saraswati City Mall, Hyderabad. I actually like the vibe of this t-shirt, but in terms of the color combinations, I like the t-shirt number 1 better than this. Here the emerald kind of a green, it is actually a little bit scattered on the white color. Even though it is on trend and it looks that way, I like the t-shirt number 1 better than this because this t-shirt have a harsh contrast between the white color as well as the green color. When it comes to the fit as well as the material composition, it is the same as the t-shirt number 1. Moving on to the t-shirt number 3. It is a pastel green half sleeve regular fit t-shirt from H&M which is priced at 399 rupees. Yes, you heard it right, it is priced at 399 rupees. These are the H&M basics collection. In case if you don't want the regular fit, you have the slimmer fit option as well as the muzzle fit option in few of the colors as well. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. So coming to the t-shirt, it's a 100% cotton t-shirt, but here you do have to note that the t-shirt material is a little bit on the thinner side, which is a good thing when it comes to summers, but I can't guarantee you guys on the durability front. And there is a minor disqualifier for the regular fit t-shirts in general for H&M, which is the flaring of the sleeves. And number 2, the band at the neck area, actually it's not as stretchy or as elastic as it should be. So it tends to fold up and it gives that loose kind of a feeling. Then you might be thinking why I got these t-shirts in the first place. Because during summers, even though I like my t-shirts to be fitting well, during summers I like few of the t-shirts when I use under my flannels or something like that, I want them to be a little bit relaxed, not sticking to my body, so that it allows the airflow during the summers. That's the reason generally I opt for a little bit looser fits, or else I would generally go for the slimmer fit options. That is something which you need to consider. And what exactly I liked when it comes to this t-shirt, of course the pastel green. It is kind of a dusky green or a pastel version of the green color. It is super toned down and this color looks super classy, and H&M do have a similar version, a little bit darker tone of that particular dusky green or a pastel green in the trousers as well. If it is paired with the white sneaker during the summer season, that's a great combination. For a price point of 399, you can get better options, but not exactly this same color. That's the reason I have got this particular t-shirt from H&M. Moving on to the t-shirt number 4. It is a baby pink half sleeve regular fit t-shirt from H&M which is priced at 499 rupees. Yes, it is priced 100 rupees more than the previous one, but the disqualifiers what I have mentioned for the previous one stays the same for this one as well. And the reason, as I mentioned before, I got this particular t-shirt also for the colors, and these particular colors, the pastel green, this pastel pink, this is almost close to baby pink color. These colors are a must-have during the summer season. You have to stay on the lighter version when it comes to the color palette. I'm not sure what could be the reason of pricing this 100 rupees more than the previous one, even though each and every aspect of the t-shirt, including the material composition and also how it fits, stays the same. I think probably they are charging 100 rupees more for this color. Never know. Moving on to the t-shirt number 5 and 6. Why I'm saying 5 and 6? Because these are the same t-shirts in two different colorways, and these are the two different colors when it comes to the t-shirts, and that too for a full sleeve t-shirts. One, I got this in this lilac color, and two in this bluish gray color. Both are the rare colors when it comes to the t-shirts, and in particular for the full sleeve t-shirts, these are the even more rarest colors. So apart from the colors, what exactly I liked? Yes, being it a full sleeve, and number 2, the t-shirt material is not super thin. It is not super thick as well, it is somewhere in between. These t-shirts remind me of the H&M heavyweight t-shirts which they released a couple of seasons back, I think, or one season back. They released those t-shirts. I have them in the beige color as well as the pink color. This is a recycled cotton. The texture is not super smooth. It is a little bit on the rougher side, but not anywhere to the extent that it will hurt your skin. The ribbed bands at the end of the sleeves, it gives that sweatshirt kind of a feeling even though it's a t-shirt, and that same applies even to the band at the neck area as well. It is having proper elasticity to it, unlike the t-shirt number 3 and 4. Both these t-shirts have that advantage. When it comes to the fit, these are the relaxed fit t-shirts and they run on the oversized front. That's the reason I sized it down. I don't want too oversized when it comes to a full sleeve t-shirt, because with oversized the length is also going to be more, and for my height, I am 5 foot 9 inches. I think the length is a little bit more. I tried the medium size as well, but I opted for the small size. So essentially I minimized the fit from relaxed to regular. I like the regular fit, and they do have them in different colorways as well. They do have them in white color, black color, as well as the brown color. Both of these t-shirts are priced at 1299 rupees. Yes, it's a little bit pricey when it comes to t-shirts. On top of that, as a H&M Plus member, I had the 15% off extra coupon, so bringing down the price points close to 1000 rupees. For 1000 rupees, I think these are the best bargain in terms of the quality, in terms of the fit, and also in terms of the color choices, because these are the summer appropriate colors. And not only for these colors, even if you opt for black or white color or brown color, you will not be disappointed. Moving on to the t-shirt number 7. It is the last but not the least, and instead I saved the best for the last. Trust me. It is a horizontal striped beige color half sleeve t-shirt from H&M, which is priced at 999 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. I opted for a horizontal striped t-shirt. This one I got it in a size of small. It is a relaxed oversized t-shirt. That's why I sized down in order to give the t-shirt a regular fit rather than a relaxed fit. So what exactly I liked? Of course, the beige color as the base with the white color as the horizontal stripes. That's what I liked, and on top of that, the stripes are not too close. That's the reason I got this horizontal stripe t-shirt, even though I am not a big fan of horizontal stripes in general. And also they do have a minimal prints with the text written at the center of the t-shirt as well. Even though the sleeves tend to flare up a bit because of the fit of the t-shirt, the overall length as well as the neckband, it is fine for this t-shirt. The material here for this t-shirt is 100% cotton, and it is so smooth on your skin. It is not too thin, not too thick. It is just optimum for a summer t-shirt. That's it for this video, guys. These are the 7 best t-shirts from H&M you can buy right now. Few of them are available in stores and few of them they are available online. Whatever I can give the links, I will make sure that there is a link down in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In case if you enjoyed, don't forget to click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel in case if you haven't. That's it from me. See you guys next time.